Good morning. So we're on the euro dollar here on ITM Genesis Elite. We're looking at a one touch based opportunity. Now that could be no touch, that could be one touch. We have two targets, potential targets. A no touch target would be below where price currently is, which would ideally be inside or just outside or below the highest probability long reversal zone. ITM Smart Money indicates fairly choppy behavior at the moment, so we're not particularly convinced about which direction it could be taking. So let's examine the targets. We have 1.2395 roughly. Let's have a look at where that lands on the chart. 1.2398 is just inside the high strength, whereas the other target is above the medium strength. With ITM Smart Money the way it is at the moment, we don't have any direction on where price is going. The safer of the two targets would ideally be the no touch target, but let's examine the 9.7 anyway, see where we are. The 9.7, as you can see, is just under the high strength boundary there, which indicates that price is most likely going to be going upwards. Therefore, 9.7 being under high strength is most likely going to stay safe. So we'll go for a no touch target instead of a one touch target to the long side, because ITM Smart Money doesn't really know if we'll be going long or short. What we'll do here is wait for the price to now enter into that zone, which it has. The trade is now in execution. And for a no-touch target, price should never come back and hit that target. It's much like any trade placed in a Forex trading environment where your no-touch target is essentially your stop loss. Just stay tuned. All right, back again, roughly 10 seconds remaining to this trade. As you can see, price continued upwards, but we didn't really know at the start of this trade how far up it would be going. Therefore, the no-touch target was a safer choice because at least we had confirmation that there is a high probability of that target not being touched, given that it is inside the highest probability long reversal zone. This, as you can see on the chart, is how it transpired. Price went up, but didn't really go up to touch the one-touch target that was shown on the platform earlier. Therefore, again, the no-touch target was a safer choice given the situation. Plus, we had little assistance from ITM Smart Money because we weren't sure of volatility at that time. It was fairly choppy at the time, and we didn't really know how far up price would go. Again, the no-touch being a high probability target there. Because we're still going long and price has now confirmed itself for going long and is now short above the medium strength, we are in a position to take a high-low trade, a high trade, that goes into or towards the analysis boundary. So we'll shoot for a trade that's 15 minutes long here to the high side on the euro dollar for a $4,250 net return if it does expire in the money. We've now gone into the trade. Let me just zoom in on the chart here to see how it's going. What we've done here is essentially follow along the confirmed long direction, and we're now chasing after it for a 15-minute trade. All right, back again here with roughly 10 seconds remaining on this follow-on high trade. As you can see, price went into that zone, bounced off of it, came back, bounced off of the high strength again, went back towards the medium strength, and is now expiring and has expired in the money. Again, this was a follow-on trade, a high trade to the long side, purely because price had confirmed itself to be going long. With the no-touch trade, we didn't take the one-touch option because we didn't know how far up price would go. When price did continue on, breach through the medium strength, we had a confirmed long momentum there. Therefore, when we expired outside of the no-touch trade, we continued on, in the confirmed long direction. Two trades now that have expired in the money. The first one was a no-touch trade that expired for a $3,850 profit, and the second one here that's also expired in the money for a $4,250 profit. Both of those exhibit a net return of 8,100 in this session today, combining no-touch and 15-minute high-low trading. Thank you.